Bybit will launch a new token on their Launchpad, and with this Valer token, right, so you'll be able to buy this token before it started trading on the marketplace. And I'm going to show you the full process on what you need to know in this event. And this is the previous Launchpad project with high reward right here. This project did is 2,213 return on investment. You need to come to your Bybit account. If you don't have this Bybit account, I'm going to leave a referral link in the video description. And once you register your account, you log in, just navigate to this level right here, and you come to this Launchpad. After Launchpad, then you press to join using this pool. You need to hold this MNT token for you to be able to subscribe this token if you want to buy using this token, or you can use this lottery system right here. And there's each requirement to meet in this event, and you need to press join now. And once you press join, and you'll see this information right here. The snapshot period will start in 7 hours right here, in 7 hours. And with these two pool, the lottery system is going to be in USDT, and the subscription system is going to be MCN right here, MNT right here. And the total allocated reward for this first pool right here for subscription is 4 million of this token, and the lottery system is going to be 4 million equivalent of this. And the price of this token that we're going to be offered in this event is 3 cents. The same thing with this lottery. And ad cap per subscriber is 10,000 of this token right here. With this lottery is 400 of this token. And right here, gain early access to this token. Then required average holding request right here. Just come over here, and you're going to take it through the hourly snapshot of your account balance will be snapshot in this period, or minimum 100 USDT to draw a lottery ticket and win a when your average holding meet the requirements. You will receive 400 of this token if you win the lottery for each winner ticket. And right here, you can deposit. If you don't have money in your account, you need to deposit this, or if you want to stake this right here, just need to have the average holding of 50, and you can increase your chance of getting this average 50 of this token by holding more token on this exchange right here. And for you to be able to get more tickets, you need to press this. And if you don't have USDT in your account, you need to deposit and use this option right here. It's going to take you to where you'll be able to deposit, and reading this information right here is going to like explain what you need to do and all step-by-step details about this information. But I've already explained the full details or importance of this information of this token right here. And the snapshot period is going to start 29 of this month, tomorrow, and the subscription or lottery is going to begin on April 3 o'clock 30 USDT time. And distribution of this token is going to happen the same day, 11 o'clock UTC time. And allocation reward result is going to happen 12 o'clock the same time, April 3. And that's all the information you need to know in this event. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss quick updates about crypto. And right here, make sure you use this function right here, or this, and lottery ticket right here. You might be lucky and get allocation in this event. Just press this for you to get more of this VIP, and hold 5,000. You get 2 tickets, depend on how much USDT you are holding, for you to have great chance of getting this allocation in this event. If you have 4 tickets, you have chance of winning this lottery, and if you have 3 tickets, you have chance of getting allocation in this event. And right here, having this 100 USDT is going to give you 1 ticket in hopefully getting allocation in this. This lottery ticket, you might be lottery system, you might be lucky to get an allocation using this lottery option right here. There is less risk because you are just holding USDT in your spot wallet, and right here just deposit this right here. Use this function deposit, and you'll be able to buy using your card right here, or deposit USDT from a wallet or third-party exchange right here. And this is the function you need to know to get started in this. And right here with this function right here, you can buy this token at this exchange. If you don't have this token, is going to take you to this page right here, and right here got, and right here buying 1,000 worth of this token is going to cost you around 1,000. I think with average of 500 or 200 worth of this token, let's say for instance 300 of this token, you have average at the end of this snapshot period of this event, you have 50 minimum of holding, and after that you'll be able to check if you get allocation in this event or not. But the more of this MNT token you hold, the more chance for you to get this allocation in this event. And you just find out how this process works and hopefully get more allocation and more tokens, so you'll be able to buy this token before you started trading on the marketplace. And note, this is just for educational purpose, this is not a financial advice. And make sure you stick around and subscribe to my channel and like this video, so the video can get to more people and help the channel grow. And I'm going to see you on the next video.